Namaste everyone, my dear every friends. My English language is not good. I want to keep my sorrow and pain in front of my good wisher. I am sure that you will help me to understand the meaning of my pain and struggle. You may look my statue and saying like, follow and share. Those people who are very kind heart, please help me. I need to your help. This is the real story of my life. I have done this to show that I am ready to step forward and to do something. In this case, that everyone will consider my appeal. No one is using case or has used. I respect everyone. I want everyone will being live and not farming agriculture from progresses. Now my farm is in a difficult situation. Those who are kind heart people, I hope to your help. Please try to understand my sorrow voice. My farmer Suraj Bahadur Mohotara, heartful request to all friends. I resist my family by doing a small instant business. Bought ready-made clothes from Kathmandu and sold them in the village. I brought ghee, honey, fruits and vegetables from village and sold them in the city. I took good care of my wife and son. In village, everyone was happy to see me doing agriculture business. I really like the fact that everyone plants crops in the village house according to the time. I am the son of a common poor farmer. My father owned a small plot of land. As I have 3 brothers, it was difficult for all of you to get that land. I support my family by doing traveling business. I also wanted to do commercial agriculture. Everyone else traditional was agriculture. I thought of doing modern agriculture. After having no land of my own, I decided to do agriculture business by renting other people land. When I saw I was looking for land, I found 1 bighah of land. I saw that some of the place where there was land were also doing agriculture. After realizing the land rate, I signed a 10 years return agreement with the land owner of rent, owner to rent. I don't know what the soil should look like. Soil was not well known. Since I thought that I will eat by working hard from a young age. I work hard and work hard. I was always busy with my look. I reject in the soil, pellets in the soil, made the soil my friend. My hard work and sweat could not do anything because I did get cow manure for years. The fertilizer of the soil was reduced to do use of chemical fertilizer. It's not like what I imagine when I see someone else. Reality was are different. I planted all the vegetable required. Cow made the field green. surprise everyone. Bee and fertilizer water cost was very expensive, and expense became more than face the situation. The world is small for hard work. I continue to move forward with the determination to overcome any obstacles and difficulties. Having the ability to face any situation, whatever it is, the cycle of the plants or the play of fortune, so that my wife get away from me immediately. I stood in my forward step. My agriculture business has reached a state of collapse and ruin. Son and daughter are sitting in another place to study. I was mentally prepared to take care of my son and daughter and run my business along. Mentally weak people community have emulation and community suicide if their business fail and run away from the village. From all these things, I eat it with for because I have to fight to save my life. I believe that one should not be a crowd. Everything gone away when business is distributed. I am owed that my son and daughter will also be destined like my wife is destined. There have been an increase in jail and vigilance to cultivate more land than the current cultivation. I have decided to enjoy and play in the soil for the rest of my life. I intend to change my life and become an example of the society. Now I am in a financial week. If this is the situation of farmers who are busy for 25 hours in 24 hours, then what will happen to others? I humbly request everyone, if there are any kind horse knobs, please help me with an open heart. I will sincerely use your help. I do not have any habit of drinking or smoking. I have even eaten it yet. I will show you the help you have given me. I asked for your help only when I was in a very difficult situation. There is a perhaps in our society. It is better to multiply than to die. I humbly request and appeal to all of you for your support, suggestion and advice to overcome in completing economic serious. I hope that everyone will consider my request and appeal. The purpose of son and daughter is to make their future bright. Example I in the society. Since my son education is good, I want to make my son a pillar of the national construction. I have given my phone number and account number. I am waiting for everyone's help. Thank you.